Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The diagnostic trouble code P0562 refers to a low voltage situation within the charging system of the Honda Fit model from 2015 to 2020. This code indicates that the vehicle's electrical system is not receiving adequate voltage from the alternator. The critical component in this scenario is the alternator, which is responsible for charging the battery and supplying power to the vehicle's electrical systems while the engine is running. A low voltage condition could lead to a variety of operational issues, including dimming lights, loss of power accessories, or difficulty starting the vehicle. Understanding the underlying causes of this DTC is essential for proper troubleshooting. This presentation will outline detailed steps to diagnose and rectify the issue to ensure reliable vehicle performance. DTC P0562 signifies a low voltage condition detected within the charging system, primarily linked to the alternator's performance. The alternator is a crucial component, functioning to convert mechanical energy into electrical energy to recharge the battery and power the electrical system when the engine is running. Typically located in the engine compartment, the alternator is wired to various systems, ensuring they receive a consistent voltage supply. If the voltage output falls below operational standards, indicators such as dashboard warning lights may activate, signaling an issue. The alternator's +B terminal, which connects to the battery, plays a vital role in maintaining proper voltage levels. Loose connections at this terminal can lead to the P0562 code, necessitating thorough inspection. Several potential causes can lead to the DTC P0562 being stored in the vehicle's onboard diagnostic system. A loose terminal at the alternator's +B terminal is often the primary culprit. This connection is crucial for maintaining voltage. If the alternator itself is faulty, it may not deliver the necessary output, resulting in low voltage. Additionally, poor electrical connections throughout the system can impede proper current flow, exacerbating the issue. Damaged wiring can also lead to insufficient voltage levels, impacting the overall functionality of the vehicle. Each of these factors requires careful examination during the diagnostic process to identify and resolve the underlying problem causing the low voltage condition. When experiencing a low voltage condition associated with DTC P0562, several symptoms may manifest. Drivers might notice dimming headlights or interior lights, which indicate insufficient voltage supply from the alternator. Error messages on the dashboard could also appear, warning of electrical system issues. In severe cases, the engine may have difficulty starting due to inadequate battery charging, leading to an inability to crank the engine effectively. Additionally, electrical accessories such as power windows or radio may become non-responsive as voltage levels drop, signaling operational problems. Recognizing these symptoms promptly can be crucial for timely troubleshooting and repairs. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0562 is to turn the vehicle to the on mode, which powers the vehicle's electronic systems without starting the engine. After the systems are active, the next action involves clearing the diagnostic trouble codes using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS. This process resets the fault memory. After clearing the codes, start the engine and allow it to idle without any load for 1 minute. This idle state helps to assess the voltage levels under standard conditions. Finally, utilize the HDS again to check for any pending or confirmed DTCs. This initial step is critical for diagnosing whether the fault persists and confirm the need for further investigation. In this second troubleshooting step, a thorough review of the diagnostic trouble codes is essential. Use the HDS to check for pending or confirmed DTCs. This confirms the persistence of the issue. If DTC P0562 is indicated at this stage, it solidifies that the low voltage condition has recurred and must be addressed. The technician should validate that the failure can be duplicated under similar conditions as previously noted. In cases where the DTC is present, repairing or replacing the alternator is typically the next step. Proper diagnosis during this stage is paramount, as it informs subsequent actions to restore normal charging system function. After performing repairs related to DTC P0562, it is crucial to verify the effectiveness of the repair. Start by rechecking for any DTCs using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to ensure that the previous issues have been resolved. A test drive is advisable to simulate driving conditions and observe how the vehicle performs under load. During and after the drive, monitor the voltage levels provided by the alternator to confirm they now reside within acceptable parameters. If all checks confirm proper functionality without any DTCs, the repair can be deemed effective. This final verification step plays an essential role in ensuring the vehicle's reliability and electrical system integrity. To prevent the recurrence of DTC P0562 in the future, several preventive maintenance practices should be implemented. Regularly inspecting the alternator and ensuring that all connections, especially the +B terminal, are tight and free from corrosion is vital. Checking for loose connections and cleaning terminals will minimize the risk of voltage drops. Consistently monitoring the vehicle's electrical system, including battery health and alternator performance, can identify issues before they escalate. Additionally, replacing aging or worn components proactively can help maintain the charging system's efficiency. Regular maintenance not only helps in avoiding error codes, but also enhances overall vehicle reliability. In summary, understanding DTC P0562 and its implications is crucial for Honda Fit owners and technicians alike. This code arises primarily due to low voltage conditions associated with the alternator. Thus, recognizing the common causes aids in effective troubleshooting. Following a systematic approach during the diagnostic process ensures thorough examination and proper repair. After addressing the issue, it is important to verify that repairs were successful through diligent follow-up checks. Furthermore, prioritizing preventive measures can significantly reduce the likelihood of encountering such error codes in the future. By adopting best practices for maintenance and troubleshooting, vehicle reliability can be greatly enhanced. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.